In this video, we will see how we can hide clock or date from Windows taskbar. At first, we need to move our cursor over there, I mean on the date and time, this part, and right click and it will pop up on menu. From this menu, we have to choose adjust date and time. Once we click that option, then this type of window will be appeared. Here we will see all the dates format and time format and so other settings. We want to disable the time and date, so we have to scroll down this window basically at the bottom, and then here we will find one option that is called additional clocks, and there is an icon on the right side. Just click here, and then once we click here, it will bring us all the change option of this date and time, and this type of window will be appeared. From here we have to go to the first tab. There are 3 tabs, but we have to choose first tab, and this tab is named as date and time, and then we'll find on button change date and time. We just need to click over there and it will bring us another window. From here at the bottom there is a link like change calendar settings. Just click on this link and then it will open another window where you will find another button additional settings. We also need to click over there to go to this additional settings page. So I'm going to click here and it will open this type of customize format option. From here we have to click on time, and by default we are seeing that this type of time is there. So to delete all time, basically we need to remove this format, and then we have to type some other things. So by default we cannot remove everything, we must have to add something. So I'm going to type ace means second, and then I'm going to hit the apply button. Once we hit apply button, on the right side we'll see there is no time, it's completely blank. So in this way we can remove the time from the taskbar. Now let's move the date part. So for date part we cannot remove everything, we must have to put something. Like by default it is showing like this format. Here we are seeing the whole format is like this. D means date, M means month, D means which is the day, and Y means year, something like that. Okay, so we just need to do this change. So let me remove everything and then type something. How we can apply, let's check. So I'm going to type for Y, and then if I apply, we'll see the year is visible over there. So in this way we can put only the year on the taskbar. Now if you want to change some other format, we can also do. So we again need to remove everything, and based on our own requirement we can type some other thing like month or something like that. So I'm going to type 2mm, that means the month, and this is the August month, that's why it is showing 08. And if we put some other thing like 4m or something like that, then if we press apply, then it will show the whole month, which is August. In this way we can only keep only the month part in the taskbar. Now let's see, we want to display only the day, like which day is it, something like that. So for days we have to type DDDD, this format, that means 4 days, and then if we hit the apply button, then we will see it will show us the current day of this week, which is Wednesday today. Now let's check how we can keep the month as 3 letters. So if we type 2m, it is showing the month number as numeric, which is 08, and this means August. If we type 3 letters and if we hit apply, it is showing August, AUZ, with 3 letters. So in this way we can actually format our date based on our own requirement, and once we complete our expectation, that means how we want to display the time and date, then we can hit the OK button and finally click on apply and or OK button, and then again OK button from this window, and finally OK button. That means we will apply all the Windows OK button, and then we can close, and finally we can also close this thing because we don't need. So in this way basically we can easily remove the time completely, but for date we must have to keep something. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily remove the date and time based on our own requirement. Hopefully this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching the video.